Wassup Stars, we back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing another monkey video. We're gonna be at the street on monkey. Somebody gave me this idea. Their name will be up on the screen somewhere. Yeah, but yeah, they gave me this idea. Thank you for the idea, whatever. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want more of these, comment down below and give me ideas in the comments too. Make sure y'all share this video. We almost at 700 subscribers. About the time this video drop, it will probably be at 700. But yeah, let's just get into this video. Make some room, hold people 100 feet away. With these trucks when I pull up, feet away. You ain't on my phone, ain't even to see away. They some Mickey, these bitches to see away. I got the cookie, I ain't talking. Yo.
What's good, bro?
What's up?
What you got going on?
Chillin'. What you got going on?
Jack shit, bro. I fuck with the fit.
Thank you.
What you got going on?
Nothing. I'm just up here bored.
Wait, what?
Just up here bored. Trying to back.
Nah, I feel you, bro. It's Wednesday, bro. Something.
Yeah.
What you gonna do? I'm trying to hum something, you know what I'm saying?
Me too.
Certain shit, and that's why I look so shocked, bro.
Now, Iggy. I hate when people lie. Do not lie.
Rolly.
Cause yes, the fuck you did. Bitch. Yeah.
That's crazy. I have a sock on.
You said what?
I have socks on.
Sex.
Socks on my feet.
Okay.
Do you?
No.
You can't be saying that homosexual stuff.
Not much, just chilling. And you, Seth?
Nothing, chilling. What you up to?
Wasting time, honestly.
Wasting time?
Mama want me to go to church. My bitch want to eat a Benihana. The broke bitch run
Word.
I'm awkward. I'm sorry. I don't know like how to give in me.
You look good.
Thank you. So do you.
Thank you. Can I get your Instagram?
Yeah.
Alright. Yo.
Y'all ain't see that. Y'all ain't even see that, bro.
We saw it. We see it. We seeing it.
Just your ass, bro. I can't do nothing right now, bitch. Trying to do a what, bro?
Oh, no. I gotta hit that again. Nope. Gotta hit that again.
Try playing with me. Why you try doing that?
Yo.
Oh, yo, what's good, man?
What's up?
Nothing much. Just a clean setup you got going on, though.
Thank you.
No problem.
How y'all doing?
I'm doing good. Good.
Alright, shit. What y'all smoking on? What is that?
Good.
You said what?
It's great.
Crack.
Say some bullshit like that for like every fucking time. Don't even play it.
Crack is crazy.
It's great.
That ain't crack. I don't like crack.
You like crack? Do we look like crackheads to you?
Yeah.
Crack kids at it again, go!
What's up?
What's up? How your day been?
Shit, too. I'm good, I guess.
You make me blush. What you do today?
Shit, for real. Shit, for real. I'm safe. Like, I'm not like sick, but like I'm sick. You know, like the weather changes out there. Yeah.
Yeah, I was sick. I was sick the other day when I came from the beach.
I did.
Got me sick.
I'm just sitting in the house smoking my medicine. Not smoking my medicine, but smoking my weed. That's my medicine.
Type shit.
Yeah.
How old you is?
I told my mama I took my medicine, but I'm not taking that shit. She got me fucked up.
How old you is?
I'm 18.
18. Okay, I'm 16.
You're 16.
Age and number, a number.
You said 18.
Can I get your Instagram?
I guess, but I'm gonna give it to you.
Alright, type it. I got you.
Bitch, I don't know. They took 2 of my fucking accounts, so I just made a new account.
Alright, I'm about to add you. I'm about to screenshot it.
Alright.
You got a console or a monkey under this page. Hello?
Neek. Gang, you are a man with the name Neek, bro.
What's wrong with that?
You deserve... Are you gay? Oh, my God. Why am I running into so much bunks?
Maybe you think
Right.
one of them.
I guess I'm gay.
Yeah, so.
Shut your gay, loose ass butt up.
You should have gained it good. You gay too.
Oh, bitch, you're gay.
You're gay too.
You're mad because you're gay and I'm not supporting you. I'm supporting my homie, though, but not you.
I don't give a fuck about you. I don't know you.
I don't know you, bitch. Your name Nate, nigga. You want to be a girl, nigga.
I don't want to be a girl. I'm glad
You want to be a girl.
I'ma stick my dick up your
Let me
ass.
ask you this,
I'ma
Nate.
stick my dick up your ass, fuck boy. Shut up. Yeah, you should.
Oh, bitch, you a fag.
You should have. Listen to Big Daddy. Shut up.
Oh, nigga, my sex.
Shut up. If I smack your ass.
Orbit!
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
That just scarred me for the rest of my life, bro.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
No.
Is my shit trippy? It was yours.
I can't hear you. I'm trying to read your lips.
Let me get your Instagram.
I can't hear you.
Let.
What?
Let.
Next?
Let.
Rap? You want me to rap?
Let.
Next?
Let.
Neck?
Let.
Oh, me. Raquel. Schlon Poofa.
Check?
Let.
Text?
Let.
Text? IG? Oh, okay. I'm so slow, bro. I'm sorry.
Alright, I'ma add you. I'ma add you.
I'm gonna follow you back.
Alright, I got you. Hello?
What's up? Bro, shut my door, because if she gonna keep making all that noise.
Name. Hello?
What's up?
Yeah, what's up? How your day been?
I like your jawline.
Thank you.
Do this shit again, and you gonna lose your life. Just try me, bitch.
Jacob.
Hello?
Hey.
What's up?
Ooh.
What?
Huh?
What
You
happened?
fine, so.
Thank you.
God, it's a lot of stuff.
Thank you.
Nothing.
How y'all
Like
doing?
this. Shit like that.
You said what?
I said, how old are you? Look at that cat.
16. I'm 16.
She said, how old?
I'm 16.
Okay, 16. I'm 16 too. She's 15. No, I'm not. I just turned 17. I just.
What's your Instagram?
38.
Give me your Instagram.
So what?
Give me your Instagram.
Okay, copy your Instagram from there.
Yo,
Hey.
what's up? Y'all look good.
Huh?
I said y'all look good.
We can't hear you. You playing with us?
Y'all look good. Y'all look good.
We can't hear you. You're deaf?
Y'all look good.
We can't hear you.
Can I get your IG?
We got Instagram? Okay, we finna tie fire, okay? Why are you on mute?
I don't know. It's tripping.
Which one?
Never mind. Hello.
What's up?
How your day been?
Good, how's yours?
Good. What y'all do today?
Just chilling. How about you?
Nothing. I just been on the game chilling. Yeah. How old y'all is? How old y'all is?
18.
What y'all do?
We're both 18.
Oh. Dang. Can I get y'all Instagram?
Yeah.
What's good, bro?
What's up?
Where you from?
North Carolina.
I'm from Virginia.
I see that.
How old are you, bro?
16.
I'm 16 too. I'm fat as shit though. So, hold on, let me show you this. It's more?
Wait.
What?
Why you laughing?
Because I'm off of this thing, bro.
Hello.
Oh my god, what's good?
Wait, why you say my good?
Dude, I didn't expect your voice to be that deep. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, what's up? How your day been?
It's been boo. It's been boo.
Hey, you not gonna ask me? What's funny?
Nothing.
Now that's how you clear a bitch. I don't know who that hoe is.
At the end of this motherfucking video, y'all know, if y'all want more, comment down below. Y'all want more? If yeah, y'all do. Yeah, but this was an idea from somebody. If y'all got any ideas y'all want me to do, comment it down below and I'll do them on my key or whatever. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure y'all comment down below y'all favorite part. Comment down below 3 stars if y'all made it to the end of this video. And if you did, period, make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're watching and not subscribe. And yeah, let's get to 700 subscribers. We might be there by the time I post this video. If we is, thank you for 700. I appreciate the support. And yeah, make sure y'all follow my Instagram, my Twitch. I be gaming up there sometimes. My Twitter, my Snapchat, all my platforms. ShowBoyNeek on all platforms. And yeah, that will be it for this video. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bye.